difference between a technology company and a construction company is far more different than people would recognize. So having that context of when we're talking about building a new feature or selling to somebody who might be feeling the same pains that I felt, I feel like having that context is extremely important for us to be able to really relate to the issues that they're seeing every day and not just be telling them what we think is better for them. Going back to my childhood, I watched my dad build robots, and he was an electrical engineer, and so I've always been interested in technology. And then going into the construction industry, I kind of realized how far behind things were, which really kind of frustrated me in some ways, and people weren't really changing the way things were done. So I had the opportunity to work with OpenSpace on my last project, and I saw the vision behind it. So I saw the opportunity for myself to have an impact in the things that were frustrating me day to day, and that was one of the reasons that I switched over to building construction technology for people in the field. Everybody should know that, change is coming, and we can make day-to-day lives easier so that you can be more efficient in doing the things that you need to do to actually build the project, not just document things or being held up by various RFIs or submittals or whatever else. And then, importantly, also spend more time with your family, because construction can tend to be a pretty brutal industry for, people working day-to-day 12, 16-hour shifts.